Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing with you some tips on how to succeed as a shorter model. Okay guys, Allie here with NGM Modeling, and let's hop right in. My first tip for you is to break in areas where the height requirements are a little bit more lax or non-existent. For example, like commercial modeling, they're a lot more lax in height requirements, so it's open to a lot bigger field of model choices because their requirements are basically per job or per project as opposed to as a whole, like runway modeling. And then the other area that you could look at breaking in is also acting. If you think about it, like if you're a female and you're looking at wanting to break in and you're on the shorter end, think about there's actors out there, male actors like Tom Cruise, okay, famous shorter male actor. He's not going to want an actress that's taller than him to be his love interest in a movie, right? He's going to want someone who's his height or a little bit shorter. So there is definitely a need for a lot different types of models and actresses out there. So those are two really good areas to break into. The next thing is to build a brand that's that brings worth and value to a company, to a project, to an organization. If you think about it, like famously, Kim Kardashian is only 5'2", and honestly, if she wanted to walk in a fashion show, she can. Why? Because she has a valuable brand that she has built around her, and she brings value to the project. So exceptions can be made and will be made if you can prove that you can bring value to the table. You don't have to be, obviously as big and flashy as like a Kim Kardashian, but just build a brand that is going to offer value to a company, and that will definitely open up some doors for you and kind of cancel out or dismiss the height requirements. And then the last note is to just network. So important. Honestly, the more you put out there that you're interested in modeling, the more people that you network with, that you contact, and that you come into contact with and remain in touch with, that's really going to open more doors for you. So make sure that you're out there and that you're connecting and you're letting people know, I'm interested in modeling. I know I'm only 5'2", 5'3", 5'4", doesn't matter. I don't meet the height requirement that you have. There are other avenues. Hopefully, these tips will help you out to get your foot in the door if you are on the shorter end and you want to be a model. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it, and leave me a comment. I'll see you guys soon.